Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be spinning two fidget spinners again. This time I'm going to be doing more stuff. So first I want to spin these two, and I want to see which one can win that first, and then I'm going to stack them. Spin the bottom. No. So spin the bottom and spin the top. Spin bottom, spin top. Spin bottom, spin top. Spin bottom, spin top. This is so hard. Spin the bottom. No, this is hard. Spin the bottom. Spin the top. Yeah. Oh, you're still going. So you are the champion. Now what I want to do. Something that no YouTuber's ever done before. Yes! I plan wood. Okay, now let's go over here. Spin this one. Spin this one. Ow! Ow! Okay, now let's do a fidget spinner race. This is the finish line. This is the starting point. I got my brother on my back here. Oh, brother forgot to put on Clifford for you, Dax. Okay, so I'm going to spin this one. Crud. I know. Clifford. Okay. So which one will win? Well, they both didn't win that time. Alright, let's go. Oh, blue one. And guys, I think that's going to be the end of this video, and I'll see you actually after school. So I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.